Have a stubborn dirt ring around your outdoor planter that pressure washing just won't remove? In this video, I'll show you a simple way to get your concrete looking clean again, using items you probably already have at home. Supplies. You've got a few easy cleaning options to choose from. Dish soap mixed with warm water, oxygenated bleach mixed 1-to-1 with water, a baking soda paste, or a simple white vinegar and water solution. You'll also want a stiff bristled brush and some clean water for rinsing. Apply solution. Apply your chosen cleaning solution directly onto the dirt ring. Be generous here. You want to fully soak the stained area so the cleaner can penetrate the built-up grime. Let sit. Let the solution sit for about 10 minutes. This dwell time helps loosen the dirt and mineral residue that pressure washing often leaves behind. Scrub. Now take a stiff bristled brush and scrub the area thoroughly. Work in circular motions and apply firm pressure as needed to lift the stain from the concrete surface. Rinse. Once you've scrubbed the ring, rinse the area with clean water. If you still see any remaining discoloration, simply repeat the process or try one of the alternate cleaning solutions. And that's it. Clean concrete and no more unsightly planter ring. Simple household cleaners, a little dwell time, and some scrubbing can make a big difference. If you found this tip helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and check out the rest of the Good Housekeeping playlist for more quick home and yard care tips.